Hello, aspiring food truck owners. Have you ever wondered why some food trucks seem to vanish as quickly as they appeared? Today, I'm going to share with you the 7 common pitfalls that can drive a food truck business to bankruptcy, and how you can steer clear of them. Let's dive right in. First up, lack of planning. It's thrilling to hit the road with your new food truck, but without a solid business plan, you're driving blind. A detailed plan should include your budget, expected profits, and a clear understanding of your target market. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Next, being disorganized. This can cripple your operation from the inside out. Keep track of inventory, schedules, and finances. A disorganized truck is not only inefficient but also a customer turnoff. Use tools and apps designed for small businesses to keep everything in check. Thirdly, the wrong menu. Your menu is your brand on a plate. Make sure it's appealing, feasible to produce in a truck's limited space, and importantly, profitable. Also, adapt your menu to the location and preferences of your audience. Flexibility is key. Speaking of location, that brings us to our 4th point. Choosing the wrong location can be detrimental. Your ideal spot has high foot traffic, minimal competition, and fits your market demographics. Don't be afraid to experiment with different locations until you find your hotspot. Number 5, unrealistic expectations. The food truck business isn't just an adventure, it's hard work. Success doesn't come overnight, and profit margins can be slim initially. Set realistic goals and be prepared for the long haul. Patience and persistence are your best allies. 6th, a food truck that's not fit for purpose. Your truck is your tool. It needs to be reliable, efficient, and compliant with local regulations. Regular maintenance avoids breakdowns that could cost you more than just repairs. They cost business opportunities too. Lastly, poor marketing. In today's digital world, simply opening your window and waiting for customers isn't enough. Utilize social media, collaborate with local businesses, and engage with your community. Remember, every post, tweet, or flyer is a chance to attract new customers. There you have it, 7 common mistakes food truck owners make and how to avoid them. Keep these tips in mind, plan carefully, and prepare to make your food truck a roaring success. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the road. Stay inspired and keep cooking up success.